Okay, here is a first view of the Dodger on. So as you can see, I couldn't do anything on the sides because I have the grab rail posts sticking out that I gotta cut out for. But as you can see, fits perfect, tight as a drum. The wrinkles will come out in the sun. Looks really, really good. The zipper pocket looks good. And this is what it looks like from the inside. So I think it'll work out really well. So let me get going on cutting the holes for the grab rails. So basically what I'm going to do is I need to fold this up and basically just mark where the hole's going to go. This will be interesting to do. I probably have to do it off camera because I have nowhere to attach the camera to, but I'll explain to you what I did. Okay, here we are. I decided to take the posts off of the frame, even though I did drill one of the holes. But I found that when I stretched it tight to do the common sense fasteners, that it moved the hole, so I will have to patch that. When I put the reinforcement patch, it'll cover that. But I need to do the common sense fasteners first. The problem is I do actually have a tool for this, but with the vinyl window on it, there is no way that tool is going to penetrate this umbrella and the plastic window, so I will cut it out with an X-Acto knife. I will do the front one, then I'll do the other port side one, and then I'll move back to the second one, and then I'll do the ones in the back. And once all of this is done, then I will position the grab rail. So that's where we are now. I don't know, I don't have a mount, so I can't show you, but all I'm going to do is take this X-Acto knife and cut out for the hole for the common sense fasteners, the eyelets here, and that's going to go in here. So I got all that here, and so let me get going on that. Okay, so I have the first common sense fastener in, so I had to cut it with the X-Acto knife. It wasn't too bad. But I'm going through this umbrella, the window, and vinyl facing, so a lot of material there. Nice tight fit, looks really good. I'm going to go do the port side, and we'll come back here to the starboard and do the next one and continue on.